Niger is a landlocked country located in West Africa, known for its vast desert landscapes, nomadic lifestyle, and diverse cultural traditions. Niger's cuisine is heavily influenced by its geography and climate, with many dishes featuring locally grown grains, vegetables, and meats. In this article, we'll explore some of Niger's traditional foods and the unique flavors that make them so special. Niger's landscape is dominated by the Sahara Desert, which covers over 80% of the country. Despite its arid climate, Niger is home to a rich and diverse culture that's influenced by the country's history, geography, and ethnic groups. The Hausa, Zarma, and Tuareg are some of the largest ethnic groups in Niger, each with their own unique customs, languages, and traditions. Niger's economy is primarily based on agriculture, with over 80% of the population engaged in subsistence farming. Niger is one of the largest producers of uranium in the world, and the mining industry plays a significant role in the country's economy. Despite its natural resources, Niger is one of the poorest countries in the world, with high levels of poverty, malnutrition, and illiteracy. In recent years, Niger has made progress in improving its social and economic conditions, with increased investment in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. The government has also implemented policies aimed at promoting sustainable development, environmental conservation, and women's rights. Niger is a unique and fascinating country with a rich culture and history, and despite its challenges, the people of Niger are resilient, resourceful, and proud of their country's heritage. Niger is a unique and fascinating country with a rich culture and history, and despite its challenges, the people of Niger are resilient, resourceful, and proud of their country's heritage. One of the most popular dishes in Niger is called jerma, which is a type of porridge made from millet or sorghum. This dish is typically served for breakfast and is often topped with milk, honey, or yogurt. Jerma is a staple food in Niger and is eaten by people of all ages. Another popular dish in Niger is tuwo, which is a type of dumpling made from rice or cassava flour. This dish is often served with stews or sauces made from meat or vegetables, and it's a filling and satisfying meal. Nigerian salad is a popular street food that can be found throughout the country. It's a mix of vegetables such as tomatoes, onions, and carrots, as well as boiled eggs and tuna, all seasoned with salt and pepper and a dressing made from mustard, mayonnaise, and vinegar. It's a mix of vegetables such as tomatoes, onions, and carrots, as well as boiled eggs and tuna, all seasoned with salt and pepper and a dressing made from mustard, mayonnaise, and vinegar. Another popular street food is fekoy, which is a type of grilled meat that's marinated in spices and served with a side of vegetables.